Our old lighting system was frankly falling apart. Beyond economical repair, I think is the official phrase, but it was knackered to any layman. Any issues we had were really difficult to solve, and we were having more and more issues. So we needed a modern solution, a cost-saving solution, and boy have we got that. The football club as a whole has worked with Abacus for probably about 40 years, and although they tried their best to keep our old system up and running for a few years more, we were fighting a losing battle. So thankfully, with their help and the Premier League Stadium Fund, we've got a fantastic new system that's going to be here hopefully for another 40 years. Once we were installed and everything went really well in a kind of the projected time frame, there was a couple of teething problems, but they were quick to react to those and get us sorted and get us back up and running. We're delighted with the new system. It's reliable. You know, our old system, we were always switching things on with kind of just hoping, fingers crossed as you press the button, and it usually worked but didn't always, and now we know it's going to work, you know, first time every time. The biggest impact, as well as the quality of the light, is the cost saving. Already we know we've saved around 25% on our utility bills. And I also personally love the fact that we don't have to run around finding switches or going behind locked doors to find the switches anymore here. But now the switch room is right here on my phone, and we can set the lights on and off and the brightness, which is just a fantastic way of working.
Thank you very much for that, Andrew. It was great to meet you, and good luck today with the match.
Thank you, and thanks for Abacus again.